वीडियो में हमने बात की प्रॉम्प्टिंग सीक्वेंस की विच इज़ द फर्स्ट एआई एजेंट डिज़ाइन पैटर्न एंड इन दिस वीडियो आई विल बी टॉकिंग अबाउट द राउटर which is a second design pattern. Now from the name itself it is very understandable. Router basically routes the request to a particular agent. Now there will be multiple agents, that's why it is routing the request. So we can also think about why we cannot use a one big giant agent that will solve all our problem. Now you guys must be already aware about that if the agents will be there, it will be having the certain kind of a tool, certain instruction. So then it will be having a more tool, more instruction. It will be very hard to maintain in the future. So that's where router comes in the picture, and let's try to understand with the real use case. I will be taking one example, which is a customer support agent. Customer support agent is getting the request from the customer that my order is not good and I want the refund of that particular order. Now the router, what will do, it will try to understand the intent of the problem and it will redirect it to a particular agent. It will do some classification or try to understand. It can also use the LLM behind it to understand what is the intent of the problem. Then it can go to a particular agent. After doing all processing, it got the confidence score of the refund agent, which is greater than the threshold value, and all this was having the less threshold value of the confidence score. So refund agent, once it will be decided, then after that, and threshold value can be anything which we can decide based on the system. So in this case, for example, I have decided 0.85. Now refund agent, how it will internally work, it will having the get order API, it will be having the get refund policy, which will check that this customer has placed an order 2 days before. That's why that customer is eligible for the order refund. So after doing that, it will try to refund processed. As I was talking about, there are multiple agents are there, so they can be specialized on their own task. Order agent will be specialized on the order related things, so we can use a simple LM for this because we are just getting the order information. Refund agent will be specialization on the some kind of a medium problem, and the tech agent will be basically for the troubleshooting of the problem, so it can have the strong level of LLM which does the complex reasoning. After doing that, sometimes it can also happen that the statement is confusing, what path we should take it. So customer support agent got the request, my laptop is broken, please refund. Router will try to understand or intent of the problem, then it says okay, this can also go to the tech agent, it can also go to the refund agent, because they both are getting the confidence score which is greater than 85. Now depending on both of the agents, it will come to the final answer, and if it is answer is greater than 0.85, the decision will be taken on that, but there's no confidence of the agents, then there human escalation will be involved. So second level of classification will be there and the human escalation will be done, and depending on that, action will be taken. So that in this video we try to understand how the routing agents work, and in the next video I'll be talking about the third design pattern of AI agents. For that, till then, keep learning and keep exploring.